Welcome to the fifth lesson of our ChatGPT course. In previous lessons, we explored the fundamentals of ChatGPT, data preparation, response optimization, and building chatbots. In this lesson, we will address crucial issues related to ethics, privacy, and security in the use of this technology. There is a shorter version. You can find it on the YouTube channel or on the website, in case you want to save time. Remember, if you missed the previous lessons, you can find them on the YouTube channel. You can also leave a like or a comment on our Facebook page and perhaps visit our website AIfondamenti, IT. But now let's get started. In this lesson, we will explore ethical, privacy, and security issues related to the use of ChatGPT. We will address several topics. Ethical impact of language automation. We will discuss the importance of understanding and addressing the ethical implications when implementing systems like ChatGPT. This will include considerations of responsible use and potential ethical risks. Protecting user data privacy. We will look at how to ensure maximum security and confidentiality of user data when using a ChatGPT-based virtual assistant. Protecting privacy is essential to establishing user trust. Preventing abuse and inappropriate responses. We will address the challenges of preventing the abuse of language automation systems and how to mitigate the release of inappropriate or malicious responses. Guidelines and best practices for responsible use. We will provide guidelines and suggestions on how to use ChatGPT ethically, respecting user privacy and ensuring information security. Accountability in implementing these systems is critical to ensuring a positive and trustworthy online environment. Let's start with ethics. Language automation like ChatGPT raises several ethical questions. It's important to consider how your chatbot or virtual assistant interacts with users. Avoid promoting false or harmful information and pay attention to the social impact of your applications. Here's a breakdown of the key points. Ethical considerations. When developing chatbots and virtual assistants, it is crucial to think about the ethical implications. This includes how these AI systems operate and interact with users. Truth and accuracy. Ensuring that the information provided by your chatbot is accurate and precise is vitally important. Misleading or false information can be harmful and ethically wrong. Avoid harm. Your chatbot should not take actions that could cause harm to users or the company. It should be programmed to avoid promoting violence, discrimination, or any harmful content. Social impact. Be aware of how your applications impact society. Consider their potential impact on individuals and communities. A chatbot should contribute positively to the user experience and society as a whole. By addressing these ethical considerations, developers can create chatbots and virtual assistants that are responsible and beneficial to users and the entire community. Data privacy is another important concern. This statement highlights the critical importance of maintaining the privacy of your users' personal information when interacting with your chatbot. There are several points to consider in this statement. Collection of sensitive data. When users interact with your chatbot, sensitive data such as personal information, preferences, or other information that can be used to identify or profile the user is likely collected. Compliance with privacy laws. It is essential to ensure that you are compliant with applicable privacy laws. This means complying with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe or privacy laws specific to the country in which you operate. Legal compliance is a crucial aspect to avoid legal disputes. Transparency. It is important to inform users in a clear and understandable way about how their data is collected, used, and shared. This helps build trust between users and the virtual assistant. User consent. In many cases, it may be necessary to obtain explicit consent from users before collecting sensitive data. This is particularly important to ensure that users are aware of the use that will be made of their personal information. In summary, preserving data privacy is a crucial aspect in the creation and use of chatbots and virtual assistants. Respecting user privacy and acting in compliance with applicable laws helps build a relationship of trust with users and avoid possible legal problems. Safety is paramount. This statement emphasizes the critical importance of security when it comes to chatbots. Here are some things to consider. Vulnerability to cyber attacks. Chatbots, like any other online system, can be subject to various forms of cyber attacks, including intrusions, hacking attempts, or exploits of software vulnerabilities. These attacks can put the security of user data and information at risk. Protecting data and user interactions. It is critical to ensure that data and user interactions are adequately protected from unauthorized access. This includes protecting personal and sensitive information that users may share with the chatbot. Robust security measures. To address security threats, you need to implement robust security measures. These may include data encryption, strong authentication, constant system monitoring, and timely security patches to protect against known vulnerabilities. Legal compliance. Additionally, it is important to comply with data security laws and other applicable regulations. This is especially relevant in highly regulated industries such as healthcare or finance. Incident response. It is essential to have plans and procedures in place to respond to security incidents should they occur. A timely response can limit the damage caused by a possible security breach. Ultimately, ensuring chatbot security is a crucial responsibility to protect not only user data but also the organization's reputation. Security should be a priority at every stage of developing and implementing chatbots and virtual assistants. Another crucial aspect is the prevention of abuse. This statement highlights the critical importance of preventing the chatbot from being used for malicious purposes. Here are some key points to consider. Potential for abuse. ChatGPT, like any speech automation technology, can be used in harmful ways, including spreading misinformation, promoting hate speech, or even illegal actions. It is important to be aware of this potential and consider how to prevent it. Usage monitoring. It is crucial to carefully monitor how your chatbot is used. This can be done through analyzing interactions, monitoring conversations, and identifying patterns of suspicious behavior. Take action. If malicious or abusive uses of the chatbot are detected, it is essential to take immediate action. These may include suspending the account of the user responsible for the abuse or implementing filters to detect and prevent harmful content. Guidelines and policies. It is advisable to have clear usage guidelines and policies for your chatbot. These should outline what is and isn't allowed, as well as the consequences for abusing the rules. Cooperation with authorities. In serious cases of abuse or illegal behavior, it is important to collaborate with the relevant authorities to deal with the situation legally. In summary, preventing abuse is critical to ensuring your chatbot is used responsibly and to avoid negative consequences. Constant vigilance and swift action are key to maintaining a safe and ethical online environment. These guidelines were developed to help you use ChatGPT ethically, responsibly, and safely. The goal is to ensure that interactions with your chatbot are constructive, respectful, and compliant with privacy laws and applicable legislation. By following these guidelines, you can create a positive experience for users and contribute to a more trustworthy online environment. Promote truth and accuracy. Ensure that the answers provided by ChatGPT are accurate and based on verifiable facts. Avoid spreading false or misleading information. Respect privacy. Protect user privacy. Collect only essential data that complies with privacy laws. Ask users for consent before collecting sensitive data. Prevent abuse. Closely monitor the use of your chatbot to prevent abuse, hate speech, or harmful behavior. Implement filters and report inappropriate behavior. Transparency. Inform users that they are interacting with a chatbot. Be transparent about the automated nature of the service. Avoid discrimination. Avoid discriminatory or prejudicial responses. Make sure your chatbot respects the principles of equality and does not promote discrimination based on race, gender, religion, or other factors. In this lesson, we explored the ethics, privacy, and security issues of using ChatGPT. It is crucial to be aware of these issues and take appropriate measures when using this technology. Remember that you can find the transcript of the lessons on the website AIfondamenti.it, complete with exercises and in-depth information. Thank you for taking this lesson. This course ends here. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe let me know via the Facebook page and follow us to discover new initiatives. See you next time.